The new Ferguson 3, Massey Ferguson 3 baler. Just picked up at auction. Actually purchased it yesterday, but this is the auction site that we purchased it from. Looks like it's sit in the barn or mostly in the barn. Like the tongue may have been sticking out of the barn, but by the dust and the cobwebs, it's been inside. Bale chamber looks fairly good. Don't think the plunger's stuck in it. All in all, it's all here, and it's not destroyed. No telling the last time this thing saw a field. But we had to put some tires on it. They had moved it out with a skid steer, and apparently didn't even think about airing the tires up on it, so it was missing. The other side tire was completely missing. This one here was beyond repair. So last night we went and mounted 2 tires by hand on it, got it up and going. As you can see, it looks like they hit something with it, getting it moved over here, but it's like it was all well oiled and maintained pretty good, all things considered. This tire here got duct tape around the rim. You can see right here, it needs a rim. They just about killed this one moving it. But all in all, it's complete, it's here. The thing we're seeing is it's got some slop in the flywheel. So, don't know anything about a Ferguson 3. It's a smaller baler, probably from mid-50s. So, I'll make a few videos of it to show how it all turns out of getting it up and getting it going. But like I said, seems to be in pretty good shape to be as old as it is. Wham! So I got the instructions on it on how to time the packer and the plunger. Not seeing anything really broke up on it. No major repairs or anything that's been done to it. Haven't got it to rotate yet. Imagine the plunger's stuck in it. But got to get it to the house. One good thing about it is the house is not too terribly far away. Kind of cut back roads over from here. So we're just going to tow it home on the wheels and get after it.